Hey, what's up, students? I wanted to go over one of these. Given an equation, make a new one type of problem. So look what we have here, friends. We have given y equals 2x plus 3, make a brand new y equals mx plus b equation. So when it says make a new equation, it means make one of these that is parallel and hits the coordinate point 5 and 6. So what does parallel mean? Parallel means you have the exact same slope. Okay, so you have the exact same. So if it's parallel, that means we're going to use 2 for our slope. So if I'm going to skip all the way to the answer, I know my answer is going to be y equals 2x plus or minus a brand new y-intercept. So I need to figure out what b is. I know what m is. It says right there. Parallel means same slope. So I know it's going to be y equals 2x. I need to figure out what b is. How can I do that? I can use this x and this y value and the slope, which is 2, I can plug them in and solve for a new b. So I'm going to start blank. I'm going to go y equals mx plus b. I'm going to plug in the y value, 6, right here. I'm going to plug the slope in right here. And I'm going to plug the x value, which is 5, right there. Okay, and then I'm trying to find that b. I need a new b. I have the slope. I need a new b. So I'm going to use x, y, and m and the slope-intercept form to find the new b. All right, so now I just got to have my algebra skills take over. 2 times 5 is a 10. All right, subtract 10 from both sides. B is going to equal a -4 in this case. So my final answer is going to be y equals 2x minus 4. That's my new equation that is parallel and hits 5 and 6. Okay, so again, for a quick replay, figure out what slope you need. If it's parallel, you use the exact same slope, and then you use the x and y coordinate point provided, and then you plug it into the y, you plug it into the x, you plug it into the slope. And then, so you substitute, 1 step, 2 step, boom, your new b value. And then your final answer will be y equals your slope and your new b, okay? So this is kind of a cold question. Let's see what it looks like graphically. So here I have the exact same question. I have y equals 2x plus 3, and I have the coordinate point 5 and 6. We want to make a parallel line that also hits 5 and 6. So this is what we're actually physically making, all right? So what I would do, friends, is I would do the exact same thing. I got to find that new b value. So if you notice right here in Desmos, I'm graphing on Desmos.com, by the way. When you make this equation, y equals 2x plus b. Now, why did I pick 2x? Because it's supposed to be parallel, so it's the same slope. All right, we saw it earlier. You can click add slider to b, and now you can physically slide your slope. Okay, so I think the answer was -4, right? So watch what happens when I slide it all the way down to -4. Oop, too far. Right there. There we go. Look at that. So we have y equals 2x. I'm going to go ahead and take it out and go -4. -4. Okay. We have y equals 2x minus 4. It's parallel to the original line, which was y equals 2x plus 3. It's parallel and it hits 5 and 6. So this is the cold math that you would do. In Desmos, if I wanted to do the exact same problem from scratch, here's what I would do. I would copy, make a brand new equation, delete the y-intercept, because I need a new one. Okay, I want to be parallel, but I also want to hit this new coordinate point. So I basically could, if I wanted to, I could guess and check, or I could do the math and figure out what the y-intercept is. The y-intercept was -4, okay? If you're a student who has pretty good spatial sense, you can see, okay, well, the y-intercept is 0 right now. If I move the line down, it'll also move it over, so I could guess and check until I hit the coordinate point. Nope, not good enough. Ooh, I'm getting closer. Ooh, there we go. I wouldn't recommend this all the time because sometimes your y-intercepts could be decimals, but I'm just showing you a physical picture of what we're doing with the algebra. All right, that's about it. That is how you make a new y equals mx plus b equation with a coordinate point and a parallel slope to a given equation.